Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Rolan Akbar dengan NIM 41520120012. Hari ini saya akan mengerjakan modul 1 sampai 3 Basic Network Connectivity and Communication Exam. Di sini asesmen linguisnya menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Kita langsung saja text assessment. Di sini suruh memilih paket tracer mana. Kita memilihkan yang terbaru. Lalu continue, kita di sini open paket tracer executable. Lalu kita menunggu paket tracernya connecting. Nah, di sini sudah jalan, sudah 7 of 9. Nah, setelah ready kita mulai begin assessment. Oke. Pertanyaan pertama. What term describe of network owner play one organization provide safe and secure access to individual who work for different mission. Itu jawabannya net planet kayaknya. Maaf previously subject next which allow access allow of it as control which berdua atau first connect. Oke, lanjut lagi. Make the definition to their associated CLA hotkey and shortcut. Not all option are used. Ini ada keyboardnya. Display next screen itu dia pakai spacebar. Scroll backward itu dia menggunakan content type. Apa ya? Oh iya, salah. Tapi itu dia. Lalu terakhir dia di abort. Ada 2 atau shift 6. Next, configure a switch with this command. Oke, iya. Switch config interface yang 1 IP address. Oke, switch no shutdown. What is the technical configuring? Ya, itu ini. What function does pressing the tab key when entering command in iOS? Hit the reminder, particularly exit, hit move if it complete. Tab key kan ya, iya. Particular tab in command. Switch to host name, follow the guideline for naming convention on Cisco iOS device. RM. Oh, ini pilihan ganda, suruh pilih 2. RM switch AM upload branch to next. While trying to solve a network issue, a technician made multiple changes to the current router configuration file. The change did not solve the problem and were not safe. What action can the technician take to discard the change and work with the file in NRAM? Issue the reload command with saving the running configuration, delete the VLAN and reboot the device, close and reopen the terminal emulation software, issue the copy startup config running config command. Oke. Dia adalah issue reload without saving the running command ya. Oke, lanjut. After making configuration change on Cisco switch, a network administration issue a copy running config startup config command. What is the result of issuing this command? The new configuration will be stored in the flash memory. The new configuration will be loaded if the switch is restarted. The current iOS file will be replaced with the newly configured file. The configuration change will be removed and the original configuration will be restored. The new configuration will be loaded if the switch is restored. Refer to the exhibit. A network administrator is configuring access control to switch SW1. If the administrator uses a console connection to connect to the switch, which password is needed to access user exit mode O dari gambar. Lalu melihat yang mana ini ya. Let me di sini kalau misalnya dilihat dia adalah passwordnya password line kuning. Match the description with the association iOS model What option are used? Oh, sama tadi. Image after bisa escape mode dia dari konten lalu ini the first entrance into the cell of an iOS device. Lalu ini panjang ya, default access mode, entering access to entering, lalu identity global configuration mode nya ialah kemudian bisa terakhir akses. What are two characteristic of RAM on Cisco device? Oh, pilih 2. RAM is a component in Cisco switch but not in Cisco router. The content of RAM are lost during a power cycle. Iya, RAM is able to store multiple versions of iOS and configuration file. No, the configuration that is actively running on the device is stored in RAM. Iya, ini 2 karakteristik dari RAM. What are 3 characteristic of an SPI? Suruh pilih 3. Yang pertama, it's required to allow connectivity by any device at any location. It is not associated with any physical interface of a switch. Okay. It associated with VLAN 1 by default. Is designed as a security protocol to protect switch port. Is a special interface that allow connectivity by different types of media. It provides a means to remotely manage the switch. Ini kayaknya sama ini kali ini tuh. Oke, lanjut. What method can be used by two computers to ensure packet they send quickly? Komputer to ensure ya, komputer to ensure itu dia flow control. Next, what process involve placing one PDU inside of another PDU? Segmentation, encapsulation, flow control, encoding. Encapsulation, at which layer of the OSI model would a logical address be addressed during encapsulation? Network layer, transport layer, physical layer, data link layer. Dia itu kalau nggak salah network layer, kalau nggak salah. Next, what is an advantage of network device using open standard protocol. Dia ada a client host and server running different operation system can be successfully exchange data. Competition and innovation are limited to specific type of product. Internet access can be controlled by a single ISP in each market. Network communication is confined to data transfer between devices from the same vendor. Oke. Baik. What is characteristic of multicast message? Multicast message itu they are sent to all hosts on a network. They are sent to a single destination. There must be an acknowledgement. They are sent to a select group of hosts ini. Oke. Lanjut. When IPv4 addressing is manually configured on a web server, which properly of the IPv4 configuration identifies the network and host portion for an IPv4 address. DNS server address, subnet mask, default gateway, DCHP server address, subnet mask. Which statement is correct about network protocol? Network protocol adalah they are function in the network access layer of TCP/IP. They are only required for exchange of message between devices on remote network. They definitely how messages are exchanged between the source and destination. Network protocol define the type of hardware that is used and how is mounted to rack. Ini. Next. For the TCP/IP protocol suite, what is the correct order of the event when a telnet message is being prepared to be sent over the network? Oke, ini disusun lagi. Pertama, telnet format is spread to next layer. Kedua ialah TCP header is added. Yang ketiga ialah the IP header is added. Yang keempat ialah the Ethernet header is added. What three application layer protocol are part of the TCP/IP protocol suite? Choose 3. Oke. Suruh pilih 3. Ada DHCP, FTP, NAT, DNS, PPP, dan ARP. Sini suruh pilih 3, yaitu DHCP, lalu FTP, lalu DNS. Match the description to the organization. Not all options are used. Oke. Di sini ada 1, 2, 3, 4. Di sini ada 3. Oke. Suruh description the organization ya. Besok itu adalah this organization promote to open development, evolution, and use the internet throughout the world. Lalu ISO OC, iya ini this organization Iya atau Iyana. Organization is responsible for overseeing and managing IP aggregation, domain name management, and protocol identifier. Yep. Refer to exhibit. Server B is attempting to contact host A. Wish to statement correctly identify the addressing that server B will generate in the process. Oke, ini server A dan server B. Kita bisa lihat kalau di sini dia server B will generate a frame with the destination MAC address of router A. Enggak. Server B will generate a packet with a destination IP address of route B. Server B will generate a frame with the destination MAC address of switch B. Iya, server B will generate a packet with the destination IP address of router A. Iya. Oke, sudah 2. Lanjut next. Coba server with the MAC address. Kayaknya yang ini. Ya, switch sama router. Oke. Next. Open the PT activity, perform this task activation and answer question. What is the IP address on switch 0? Kita lihat. Launch. Ini ada switch 0 and switch. Kita lihat switch 0 ialah IP-nya VLAN 1 up 192.168.5.10/24. Oke, berarti ialah 92.168.10/5.10. Oke. Next. Why would a layer 2 switch need an IP address? Kenapa? To enable the switch to receive frame from attached VCS, to enable the switch to send broadcast frame to attached PCS, to enable the switch to be managed remotely, to enable the switch to function as a default gateway. Oke, to enable switch managed remotely ialah refer to the exhibit. An administrator is trying to configure the switch but receive the error message that is displayed in the exhibit. What is the problem? Switch 1 config T invalid input detect as suku marker. Oke, berarti ini mah karena dia itu kurang nih. The administrator must enter privilege access before mode before using the command. Betul. Which device perform the function determining the path that message should take through inter network, a web server, a router, a DSL modem, a firewall. Internetwork ya. Internetwork ya. A router. What type of network traffic required? QoS. QoS, video conferencing, wiki, email, online purchasing. Network traffic request QoS, video conferencing. A networking technician is working on the wireless network at a medical clinic. The technician accidentally set up the wireless network so the patient can see the medical record data of other patients. Which of the four network characteristics has been violated in this situation? A network technician is working. Fault tolerance, reliability, security, quality of service, atau scalability. Technician, supervision in medical, which for characteristics? Security. Next. What two criteria are used to help select a network medium from various network media? Choose two. The distance the selected medium can successfully carry a signal. The environment where the selected medium is to be installed. The cost of the end device utilized in the network. The type of data that need to be prioritized. The number of intermediate devices installed on the network. Okay. At which OS layer is a source IP address at the to a PDU during the encapsulation process. Application layer, B network layer, ini transport layer, data link layer. OSI itu kalau nggak salah dia itu network layer. Next kita submit. Congratulations, you have complete the assessment and may now submit the assessment. For getting to receive the graduation, please press the button below. If you want to change your answer, please do so using a previous button. Oke, kita cek dulu lagi. Kita pastiin kalau sudah diisi dengan baik. Oke. Oke. Oke, langsung submit saja. Create assessment. Domain standar score. Poin yang didapat 48, persentase 96. Oh, ternyata ada yang salah di Basic Device Management Inisial Device CLI. Oke ya, terima kasih sebelumnya. Ya, mohon maaf apabila ada kesalahan dan salah-salah kata. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.